I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. We've been at this location for 38 years, and all we work on in service is classic cars. Today I want to talk to you about batteries. That's probably the biggest problem that people have with their cars, is having their battery go dead. If your battery's dead on your classic car and you need a jump start, most people are afraid to jumper their battery for fear they're going to burn up some wiring, or they're afraid they're going to get shocked. You can't get shocked jumpering a battery, but you can ruin the electrical system on it if you hook it up the wrong way. So you'll notice on this battery, here's the two terminals. You'll notice that you have a positive or a plus and a negative or a minus. And all you have to do is be sure that you hook the plus on this battery to the plus on the battery of the car that you're jumpering it from. Here's the cables, and I always hook a red jumper to the plus, and I hook a black cable to the minus. Do the same thing to the other car. Start the other car, let it run for a minute, and it will charge this battery up. The last important thing is be sure that you have a good set of battery cables. If you don't have good jumper cables, it'll take forever, and sometimes your car won't start.